How to send pictures on Gmail on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to send pictures on Gmail on iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step that I would like you to do is to simply update first your Gmail app. To do that, you just simply click on your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Gmail. And once you have searched for Gmail, click on the Update button if it is available. Assuming that you have updated your Gmail app, you may now click on Open and sign in with your account. And then go to Compose right here found on the lower right corner, and you may type in your recipient and then your subject, and right here you may compose an email before adding your pictures. So simply click on this attachment button right here, or this paperclip button, and then you may be able to see photos right here. So there are actually two options in adding photos. The first one is by capturing a new photo, or by choosing the photo that you have on your camera roll. So do take note that Gmail actually has a maximum amount or maximum storage, I think 10 megabytes. So if your photo exceeds 10 megabytes, then it will um, directly send a link to your recipient. For example, it is a Google Drive link. So it will just notify if your photo will exceed 10 megabytes. So for example, I will choose this photo. I'll just simply wait for it. And then if it is not grayed out already, then I may be able to send this photo to the recipient that I want. So click on this send button right here, and then that's it. That's how you can send pictures on Gmail. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.